So whenever I want to know what my competitors are doing, I just run this one command. An AI agent opens up their Twitter, their YouTube, their LinkedIn, their website, and reads everything. And then it hands me a PDF report right there. I open up the report and I know exactly what's blowing up on my niche, what angles are working, and what to post next. I'm not guessing, I'm not scrolling, I'm not wasting hours doing manual research. And I build this as a skill inside Cloud Code, and I will show you exactly how it works and how you can build it for yourself. So now this is the agentic workflow that I have built inside Cloud Code that is going to stalk my competitor. So I have this analysis complete tab. This is from a LinkedIn post, this is from a reference, and this is for the script creators analysis. Like I am using script creators to scrape the platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. You can scrape any of that. I'm going to show you this right now. But let me just show you what I have actually analyzed. So this is for my analysis of you can analyze per according to a particular keyword or a particular competitor, right? So I have both of these. So first of all, it is for a particular keyword. So I have this for a keyword, which is Claude Code keyword, and it has scanned 55 long form videos and 20 short form videos, and it has also generated me 30 content ideas. And as you can see, it has given me like, okay, what is like what is the topic, what is the channel, how many views it is getting, what's the age of the new content that has been published, what is the views per day and everything. So it has given me that, right, as you can see. And what are the key trends that it has analyzed? Drama, leak, free, cheaper, tools comparison, speed, simplicity, integration demos. These are the things, and these are the top 5 content ideas it has generated me over short form and long form content as well here. As I can see here clearly, and this is for a particular topic. Now tell me about, let me show you about the particular keywords. So this is for my competitors, which is Nick Arrive, Neaturk, and Jack Roberts, for example, and 3 competitors, and it's going to analyze competitor intelligence report, and it has given me the 3 of them scan across social media. Specifically for YouTube, it has given me, and like for example, Claude routines just dropped, and they automate everything, views and everything, like top 10 title and like views, how many views it has get published, and what is the best pattern breakdown, which is how to, it also scan the hooks as well and use numbers. So whenever you use more numbers, you're gonna get more reviews. Question format, what I learned instead of Claude on automation in 2026, brutal narrative. So it has given me, basically it has scanned me all of my 3 of the competitors and given me their content breakouts and what should I do at the end, like top 5 priority ideas, which is 5 Claude workflow that save me 10 plus hours a week. Formulas and long form content, short form content, what's the content that I should be posting here. Yeah, it has given me basically everything and stop my competitors. That's what I'm telling to tell you. So that's all about it, and it has built me this agentic workflow that runs Python on the back end. And whenever I tell it to scan my competitors and do this insane research for me, it does it for me and it builds me a PDF like this. And I'm going to show you one example of a competitor for a different niche that you can build it right here. Right. So that's one thing. So now first is how to actually build a system, right? So first, how to actually build this. So uh, I first of all use script creators to scrape the platform like YouTube, Twitter. So you can use script creators and you can sign it for free. It gives you 100 credits to try and run it out. Actually, I didn't have the subscription of script creators. It is this, and I have actually see I can actually have 12 credits left here. So we have different things. You can connect it to anytime as well, and we have agent integration, so you can connect with the MCP via MCP as well, which is this MCP server. It has just released that like maybe 2 days ago, 1 day ago, I think. And we have the API key, and this is where we get to play with it. So we have different things, which is TikTok. You can script TikTok, TikTok Shop, Instagram. I like to scrape Instagram profile, basic profile post, their real information, transcript. You can search reel by topic, like Claude Code, and it will generate you, okay, these are the trending topics, or these are the topics that has been posted on, like, yeah, a query, basically everything. So you can actually create a skill inside Claude Code according to all of these, right? And I will show you in another video then how you can actually create a Claude skill based on these things. So what I did was I chose YouTube and I chose transcript, uh yeah, channel details, channel videos, transcript. You can actually understand all of each of the videos if you want to get more in depth of the stock competitors on what they're actually building. You can actually scrape their comments. Okay, these are the comments that, like, comments are the things that people tell you that, okay, these you should you should create this type of content. I want these. So you can actually implement that and create, because it's the audience telling you, okay, this is the content that I want, and you can actually create that content here. And we have content replies, trending shorts, transcript, everything, like we have here. So what I did was I get the channel details, I get the channel videos, I get video and short description. So these are the things, and we have to just paste the URL and continuation token, which is the token that we get after that, and we can select the order, which is top or the newest. So basically, I just tell Claude Code with the API and with this documentation link, which is this one documentation link. So it actually just creates me this agentic workflow in Python, and it just runs for me. And let me just show you how it actually runs. Right. So I've just connected that. So okay. So let me just show you how it runs. So I'm going to open a new Claude. Yeah, so for example, if my competitor is Alex Hormozy, right? And if I want to create contents just like him, and I want to stalk him basically, so I'll just tell Claude to, first of all, just tell Claude that, okay, mm, give me a full analysis report of Alex Hormozy's YouTube and a PDF. Okay, and I'll tell it to ask me questions, because the more Claude asks the questions to you, the more it gives you an accurate answer. So bypass permissions, and there we go. I just told this, I'm just really vague in this because I've actually built out this as a skill, and I've actually built out this agentic workflow that lives inside my Claude code, lives inside this file. So it'll just call script creators API and to just call this one, and it will just basically build me down the whole thing for me. Okay, so what is the primary focus that I want? Content growth, monetization, competitive positioning, everything. I want everything, and I'm just doing this for uh, yeah, content creation, deep dive, visual slide deck. I just want deep dive and hook thumbnail style. I'll just do all of that. Let's see what Claude will generate me. So now it took me over 5 to 7 minutes to actually generate me the whole analysis of Alex Hormozy. So let's just see how it is. We have the Alex Hormozy YouTube playbook. So it just scanned YouTube for right now. We have 4.13 million subscribers, total views, channel overview, and growth analytics. Like, it has told me everything about this. So let me just zoom in a little bit. There we go. Amazing. Yeah, so channel overview. Video count under 5 minutes, 2 videos were exceptions. Most of the videos of his are over 30 minutes. Keen said long form is a strategy. 80% of his video are over 15 minutes long. And 3-phase growth system customers uses this one. YouTube AdSense generates estimate revenue, whatever. Top performing videos. These are their top performing videos is, and top performing trending right now. And this is how it calculates. So 19 hours ago, just how to use AI in business in 2026, 56.2K views a day is getting. And this is most viewed shorts. How do I make more revenue and with less time, this much? Hook and thumbnail strategy. What is this hook and thumbnail strategy? Basically, 3 dominant title templates here, which is this one. Right, as you can see here, the hook Retain reward framework. We have this one. Thumbnail rules. What it does consistently always is phase. Thumbnail is not equal to title. And actually it analyzes all of these things. Phase. Content pillars and content strategy. Everything. Content pillars. Content strategy. Call to action funnel. Everything. Like it has created a bunch of things. To be honest. Creator plan action 10 moves to steal. Everything. There we go. So that's all about it. And it has scanned me and it has just built me this under like 7 minutes. So it took me 7 minutes. It took it 7 minutes kind of to generate me this. And it has created a new folder which is today's date and the HTML and the PDF version of this one. So yeah, basically it has generated me and script whole content of his and what is performing, what is not performing. 3 phase growth system, top performing content. What should I use? What should I not use? Content pillars, key strategies, call to action funnels, like literally everything. So actually, I've created the skill, so you can just I will give the description of the skill down in the description, and also you can join my school community to learn more on how to build these skills out there, and I will show you how I did this in more detail in the school community down there. Also, if you want us to build such AI agents like this for your content system, then you can book the call down below and let's see how we can help you with that. Cheers.